Good morning, students. In this video we are going to solve exercise 3.2. This is the question number first of this exercise. Here you will use the concept of addition of matrix, multiplication of matrix and subtraction of matrix. So first the question is like this: if you are given the matrices A 2 4 3 2, B the entries are 1 3 minus 2 5, and the C the entries are minus 2 5 3 4. All are square matrices because you see that is 2 into 2 order, 2 into 2 order and 2 into 2 order. So therefore what you have to find each of the following: what addition of matrices A and B, subtraction of matrices A and B. Then here you have 3 times A, that is multiplication of 3 with the matrices A. Then subtract C from it, matrix C from it. Then you have a multiplication of AB, and then again the multiplication of BA. So first let us start the solution. A is given 2 4 3 2 matrix and B matrix is given 1 3 minus 2 5. First part is A plus B. A plus B. So we write it as A is 2 4 the row and the next row is 3 2 plus B. B is 1 3 minus 2 5. Students, when you are going to add the two matrix, what you have to do? You have to first entry of the first matrix will be added to the first entry of the, that is A11 plus B11. You will write it as like this: A11 plus B11, that is 2 plus 1. Then A12 plus B12, that is 4 plus 3. Then A21 plus B21, that is 3 minus 2, because you write 3 plus minus 2 like this. Then you will have 2 plus 5. So what you will get? You will get 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 3 minus 2, that is 1, and again you have a 7. So this is A plus B. What you get? A plus B. So next part is A minus B. Again, just like addition, you will do the subtraction part. A matrix, then we have 1 3 minus 2 5. B matrix, when you subtraction is there. So first entry, that is A11 minus B11, that you write 2 minus 1, then 4 minus 3, then 3 minus 3 minus of minus 2, and next is 3 minus of minus 2, that will become, you can write directly, plus 2, and then 2 minus 5. So what you have? 2 minus 1, 1, again 1, this is 5, this is minus 3. So this is A minus B. So A plus B is 3 comma 7 and 1 comma 1 7, and A minus B is, next A minus B is 1 5 and 1 minus 3. Now the third part is 3 times A minus C. So 3 times A. So what is your A matrix? That is 2 4 and 3 2 minus C. C is yours minus 2 5 3 4. Now what you will do? You will multiply 3 with the each entry. So you will get 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, minus 2 5 3 4. Now you will have subtraction between these two. So again the same process you have done in part 2, that is 6 minus 2 will become plus 2, 12 minus 5, then 9 minus 3 and 6 minus 4. So what you will get the answer? 6 plus 2, 8, 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 4, 2. So this is yours. What? 3 times A minus C. So 3 parts you have done. Let us try the fourth one. The fourth part is A into B. So what is your A matrix? 2 4 3 2, and the B matrix is 1 3 minus 2 5. So what in case of multiplication? Please remember, in case of multiplication, what you have to do? You will multiply row with the column. So we get 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2, 4 into minus 2. Then next again 2 into 3 and plus 4 into 5, 4 into 5. And the next again the second, from second row to columns, 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. And here again 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. I repeat, you have to, when you are going to multiply one matrix with the other, you have to multiply with the first row with the first column, then second row with the second column. Here just like 2 into 1 and 4 into A11 into B11, then A1 into B12. Then similarly you have to do like this, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be your upper. Next the second row, from the second row will multiply the first column, then from the second row will multiply the second column. So we'll get 2 ones are 2 minus 8, 3 ones are 3 minus 4. Then you have 6 plus 20 and 9 plus 10. So the required matrix will get minus 6, minus 1, 26 and 19. So this is the result of A into B, multiplication of AB. So what is that? This is minus 6 and 26 minus 1, 19. Similarly, part number 5, that is B into A. So you will try yourself. Try yourself.